Hey,
Hello, my brother.
okay. So I need to fix my phone, man.
What's wrong?
Like, my phone fell this morning. I got a crack on. I got so much contacts on here. People are trying to call me, but I cannot get my phone on. I've tried everything now, and I really need to use my phone because how am I gonna make calls? How am I gonna
Let's
receive
check your
calls?
phone.
Yes, please.
Look
Man.
at this Samsung J5 Prime.
Yes.
Okay, it looked like your LCD is cracked. So
Damn.
yes, I can fix for you. I can replace the LCD for you. It's not a problem.
Please.
Are you in a hurry or?
I'm very nervous, very urgent, man. Like I said, there's so many people trying to get hold of me, and I cannot respond to them because I don't have a phone.
No, I can understand. Obviously, these days, yeah, the phone is necessary.
Yes.
Okay, can you wait an hour time? If I'll do it for you in an hour time.
Oh, so quick.
Yeah, I can do it for you if you're in a
Thanks.
hurry.
Yes, please. Please, hour's time sounds perfect.
No problem. Assalamu alaikum, I'm your host Sayyid Ibad Ahmed. Today I'm going to replace Samsung J5 Prime LCD. You can see this phone and I'll show you how to do it easy way. Let's start the video. Once we replace the LCD, we're gonna test the new LCD. Before we put the glue, we have to test the LCD. If the LCD is working 100%, then we're gonna put the glue and we're gonna stick it. Let's wait and see. Okay, look like the LCD is working 100%. So we're gonna switch phone off and we're gonna put the glue and we're gonna stick this LCD. after put the glue, we have to wait 2 minutes to dry it up before we stick the LCD. Just gonna wait a while before we put the LCD. We have to clip it in. This in. We're gonna put some rubber bands to just hold it tightly. And we're gonna leave the rubbers say about half an hour, and we're gonna check the phone is working still 100%. There you go, the phone is started now. That LCD being replaced, you can see. And this is the video for today. If you enjoy and like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Is that it?
I'm good now.
Good news, your phone is fixed now, and you can see the condition of the phone.
No way!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Dude! Shit! I can't believe this. This is like a brand new phone.
Can you check your phone?
Oh my days. Thanks a lot, man.
Pleasure.
I'm really happy for this. This is wow. Thanks. So how much do I owe you?
I'll give you a good price, just $600.
$600? Cool, no problem. There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Pleasure. Nice doing business with you.
Same.